Oh. So I want you to get your posture for a second. So close your eyes for a second. Bring your head up and down once or twice. Up and down, up and down. Straight ahead, eyes closed. Breathing really deep. Relax your shoulders, shake your shoulders out a little bit. Cool. And just relax. Let's see how crooked we are. All right. The right shoulder. Keep your eyes closed. The right shoulder's kind of low. Head's tilted a little bit. Got your shoulders. All right. Stay there for a second. Make sure you see the heads over your shoulders. A little bit forward. All right, open your eyes for a second. So you really got a low shoulder inside here. Okay. All right.
I felt it in my shoulders lately too.
Left hip is a little bit low. Right hip is externally rotated. It flares out. You see your right foot goes out, and even your left foot goes out. So I want to do something.
Okay.
I want you to slowly bring your feet in so they're straight. See how that feels on your hips.
I felt the pressure.
Go back out. Yeah, it feels more comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, so your hips are rotated out, right? Yeah, so. All right. Cool, I'm gonna just check your neck for a second. It's gonna come like this, and you're gonna tuck your chin in, like that, a little more, and then you're gonna go down. How's that feel?
It kind of hurts.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Inside here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Hurt.
Yeah.
Right here.
Inside there, yeah. So you got a little tightness, compression inside your neck. All right, let's have a seat right over here.
Okay.
Just have a seat. I'm gonna just do some work on some muscles, on some muscles.
Some muscles.
Hey, what's going on, Crackkamaniacs? Dr. Tirado here, and today we've got the CEO, president, proprietor of, is there another word? Dueño of American... Patron, thank you very much. No, Patron, everybody's gonna think that's tequila. So, American Quality Restoration.
Yep.
There we go. Coming to you from Florida.
Jacksonville,
right?
Florida.
Jacksonville, Florida, one of the greatest quality restorations. This guy is saving lives down there. He's actually, if your house has been hit by a hurricane and it's been destroyed, he's inside there fixing homes and saving homes, and that's what he does. So basically, he chases hurricanes. That's what he does. Right?
Basically.
Yes. So if they ever need to get in contact with you, what do they do?
You can reach me at 904-438-8780 or look me up on Google or Facebook.
Or Instagram?
Instagram, American Quality Restoration.
Instagram, American Quality Restorations.
That's right.
Very, and so in what type of a situation would someone call American Quality Restorations?
So if you're noticing some stains on your ceiling or some mold growing or musty odor, you're coughing a lot in your home, bad air quality.
Oh, that's not good.
Your home floods, anything like that.
Got it.
We're the guys that you call.
Got it. All right. I'm sure that's a lot of hard work. And so we're going to get his body adjusted today. All right, cool. So let me take your right arm for a second, and I'm going to come across inside here. Cool. It's going to stretch out that shoulder, just like that. And we'll work on some of these muscles inside here. All right. And that's too much, just let me know.
Okay.
All right. Cool. Get deep in that lat.
Yeah, I've noticed it a lot in my shoulders lately.
Yeah.
I've felt it, like it cracks and it hurts.
Sure. Drop the arm. Actually, I'm going to nab it right back again. It's just going to come inside here.
Oh, that feels good.
That's it, right?
Yeah, it feels good.
Okay, drop the arm. Lean your head to the left nice and easy. Good. Let's get inside this muscle. Look straight down like this. Stretch a little bit more. There we go, it's like a buzzsaw.
Yeah.
All right, let's take the left arm, come across, hit that trap, lat right there. Good. So weren't you doing some work in Fort Myers after that big storm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
a lot of houses out there trashed.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Fort Myers Beach especially. That was one of the worst.
Was it really? Yeah.
Yeah, it was the worst I think I've ever seen, honestly.
Wow.
In all the hurricanes I've done.
So are those homes being built up slowly or what?
Yeah, they're slowly getting back.
Okay.
Some of them they're just taking a wrecking ball and rebuilding because they're so bad.
Got it.
But
just doesn't pay to repair.
nope. A lot of them are underinsured as well.
Is that right? Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Unfortunately.
I could see that happening.
Yep.
So doesn't FEMA step in for the underinsured? No?
They say they do.
Look straight down?
They say they do,
Yeah, I
but
thought they did, no?
not really.
Oh, wow.
It's very strict. It's hard to.
Collect from FEMA?
Yeah. Like they send people checks for like $1,000, $2,000.
That's it?
From
That's
all
it?
the people that I've talked to,
It's
they're
terrible.
very disappointed with FEMA. Yeah.
Wow. And they've got thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of damage. It's amazing. All right, so you're a little tight inside these muscles here. I'm just going to try to pinch and stretch a little bit. That's all I'm trying to do. So just relax your head. I'm just going to bend it right. Good.
It's pretty good fire.
Yeah.
Sure.
These traps are tight, man. Yeah.
That one
I like
hurts.
smoking. Good. Good. Up inside here. Hold on. Good. 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 Turn your head right. Hold right there. Hold right there for a second. You feel a little tap inside there. It's not going to feel like much. Turn your head right. Good. Good. Look straight ahead, nice and easy. Good. Take your left arm right now and just put it back like that for a second.
Okay.
Right? Yeah, I'm just going to try to open up your shoulders. Yeah, that's tight. Just want to kind of unlock your shoulder a little bit. You kind of round your shoulders a lot. Hunched over like a turtle.
Yeah.
Good, come right back down. Nice and easy. Turn your head left. Hold there for a minute. Just hold there. Good. Just look straight ahead. Nice and easy. Just loosen up your shoulders. Good. Take your right arm. Just bring it back out like that. Like that. You ever dislocate this arm? That's a yes.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's a yes.
I didn't go to the doctor, but I heard it pretty bad. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a yes.
I remember exactly when I did it too.
Yep. Come right back here. What were you doing?
I was playing football and I was running the ball
Oh yeah.
and I got tackled and like two guys landed on me.
Oh,
And
okay.
so my right shoulder went to the ground
Okay.
and like both their weights crunched.
Oh.
And my whole shoulder like went numb and
Yeah.
I couldn't lift my arm.
I can see that. All right.
But it was like one of the last games of my senior year, so I didn't.
Put your hands on your hip. That's just this side for a second.
Just this side.
I'm going to ask you to pull your elbow back in a second. Hold
Okay.
on a second. Pull back. There we go. Let's try the other side. Hold on. Pull back. Oh, man. That was loud.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. That was pretty crazy.
Yeah, it was.
All right. That was real, folks. That's not dubbed in. Relax inside here. Yeah, you got a little scar tissue inside your shoulders. That's what that noise is. Yeah. Good. Same thing here. Just let it drop nice and easy. Let it go. Let it go. Good. Good. Awesome.
Okay.
Cross your arms here. This one comes underneath.
Yep.
We're going to do a twisting movement, right?
Okay.
So twist this way a little bit. Now I want you to breathe in really deep. Twist left. Let it go. Wow. Good. All right, it's going to go the other way. Put this
Cross
on top.
arms?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hold on. Just twist right for a second. Breathe in really deep. All the way out. Let it go. Wow. All right, relax your arms for a second. All right, I'm going to work a little massage on you. Put this here for a minute. You okay? Good. Is that going to tickle too much?
No.
Good.
That's sore.
Is it?
Yeah.
Too strong, too strong, too strong. What's that sore from?
I don't know.
All right, all right. I'm using the flathead on them also. All right, take it easy there, Mr. Jumpy. Just breathe, man. Just breathe. All right, we'll go a little lower. A little on the side of your leg. Let's see if you can handle that.
Oh, God.
Can't handle that?
I can handle that one.
You can scream. Going down to the calf. Going down to the calf. You asked for it. There we go. And then we're going to the foot. Yep, going to the foot. There we go. That's okay. Good, we got it. All right, that's the right side. Now we're going left side. You tell me.
That's all right.
All right, good. A little too sensitive on that right side.
Yeah.
Okay. That's the side with the old war wound. On the side of the leg. Going back down to the calf. Okay, going to the foot. There we go. All right, relax those legs for a second. Just gonna see here. You get a little tight there. Do me a favor. I just want you to raise your knee a little bit. Raise it up. Come right back down. Okay, I'm just gonna do some tapping on your lower hip joint. Nice and easy. Good. And we'll go right inside the hip. Leg up again. Head back up. Right back down. Nice. Nice. Relax the legs. Good. Just relax it. Let it go easy. Gonna let it drop down to the side. There we go. Good. Let's go to the other side. Just let it drop down nice and easy. A little more. Good. Come right back down the middle. Perfect. Good. I'm going to lean your head to the side, okay? So just breathe easy, nice and easy. I'm just going to go just like that. Relax a little bit more. Good. Good. You come right onto the other side also. No, let it go. Good. Come back here. Awesome. Right there. Cool. Just bend that leg. Yep. Come right over here. Scooch a little closer to the edge. Nice. Hands here. Just let your hip just drop down. Nice. And breathe in. Just kind of let it go. Good. Come on the other side, please. Same way. Like that. Come a little closer to the edge. Awesome. Let your hips just kind of fall down a little bit. A little bit more. Nice. Breathe in again, all the way out. Nice. Good. You take this off. Come lay right on your back, face up, and bend your knees. And what I want you to do is I want you to squeeze your knees hard. Separate. Good. Bring that down, relax it, and now make a circle with your hip. Good. Let the leg just drop. And try to stretch out that hip joint. Oh, that's tight.
Yeah.
Wow,
That's the left one. That's the one I hurt in baseball.
Is that right?
Yeah.
That's another injury. Okay.
Yeah.
Stretch out
And I
the
didn't go to the
hamstring.
doctor for that one either.
Excuse me?
I didn't go to the doctor for that one either.
High school?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
That was
don't
my
think.
senior year.
I don't think high school kids go to doctors.
No,
Yeah.
I was just stubborn. I play sports and I have to sit out.
Yeah, I know. Did the same thing. Just as guilty. So just relax your foot nice and easy. Just going to come inside here. Perfect. Nice.
So good.
Yep. Good. Just relax this foot. We do a circle again. Hopefully this hip isn't as stubborn.
Hopefully not.
Let it go. Nice. Let the leg just drop down. You're right. Big difference.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Pretty significant. All right.
Yeah.
From here, just relax the foot. Nice and easy. Just going to open up the ankle joint a little bit. Good. Okay, just like that. Bring it down a little bit. Leg's going to come right there. Relax, nice and easy. How you doing so far? Good?
Yeah.
Awesome. That's what we've done. All right. We'll do a little Y strap. I'll show you what this feels like. Good. Just lift up your head nice and easy. Come right back down. Just like that. So you're just going to feel a little pressure, like a little stretch kind of going this way. Just relax nice and easy. Breathe easy. Okay. You feel a little stretch like that. Okay, now I just want you to breathe in and just breathe all the way out. That's it. Good. Oh. There. There you go. So, rest your head.
I got a new neck now.
Tell me how that feels.
Yeah, feels pretty good.
Yeah. What'd that feel like?
I don't even know how to describe it. Someone picking you up by your head and just like shaking you. But like not in a bad way.
Okay.
Kind of releasing.
Slide up a little bit. How far down did that go?
Like where I felt it?
Yeah. Mid back, lower back, neck?
I would say like upper back probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, let's see how we're doing here. Good. Just going to do a little gentle adjustment right there. And just relax nice and easy. Just do a gentle stretch inside here. All the way to the end. Just going to open the joint a little bit and let it go right there. And back here. Awesome. I turn the light on a little bit. Okay.
No response.
No response.
Do what?
Nothing.
Were you talking to me?
That's okay.
Sorry, I was in a different world.
I see that. I see that. Good. Just relax. Nice and easy. Focus on your breathing. You're going to go right there. Good. And just nice and easy. Good. Just relax the muscles. A little bit more. I'm just going to stretch inside here. Good. All the way to the end. Just relax. A little bit more. Come back here.
That was a good one.
Nice. Breathe in really deep. All the way out. Let it go. Good. Nice. All right, sir. Let me give you a hand up. Come sit up. 1, 2, 3. Legs in front over here.
All right.
Let's see how we're doing. Guys probably half asleep.
Yeah.
All right.
That was much needed.
How'd that feel?
Amazing.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
You gotta get some more chiropractic into you.
I know.
Your job's really physical.
Yeah.
Really
I
physical.
know. I need to do that.
Cool. All right. So to all those people out there, all our Crackamaniacs, again, thanks for watching. We couldn't do this without you. And remember, American Restoration is down in
Jacksonville, Florida.
Jacksonville, Florida. You got to give me your telephone number again.
904-438-8780.
Awesome.
Shoot me a
Peace.
call.
Subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.